We have central heating at this house, and the thermostat is located just below the stairs next to this cupboard door that's opposite the door to the lounge. The thermostat is on all the time, and you can change the temperature of the house by pushing on these buttons. So you push on the up button to increase the temperature, and you'll be able to see here that the temperature is increasing. When it hits the temperature where the room is colder below that, then the central heating will kick in and you'll see this fire icon coming in. When the temperature of the house is at that temperature, then it will stop heating up the radiators. If you wish to turn down the heating, just push down on the button on here. When you leave the house, we'd appreciate it if you could turn down the heating to 18. That's how to use the central heating system. Thank you.